Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day. In today's video, we are going to admire a beautiful crochet bedsheet design that showcases the creativity, patience and skill behind handmade crochet work. Whether you are a crochet enthusiast, a beginner looking for inspiration or simply someone who appreciates handmade decor, this design is sure to impress you. Crochet bed sheets are more than just simple bedroom accessories. They are work of art created stitch by stitch with every detail carefully crafted to produce a stunning final piece. The amount of time, dedication and attention that goes into making a crochet bed sheet make it truly special. As you watch these designs, notice the intricate patterns and how beautiful they come together. Every section has been carefully arranged to create a balanced and elegant appearance. Their symmetry and texture to give the bedsheet a luxurious handmade look that instantly enhances any bedroom. One of the most attractive features of crochet bed sheets is their versatility. They can be designed in traditional styles, modern geometric patterns, floral motifs, vintage lace designs, or even customized with unique color combinations. No matter your decorating style, there is always a crochet pattern that complements your home. The color choice also plays a significant role in the final appearance. White crochet bed sheets create a timeless, classic and elegant atmosphere. Cream and beige shades add warmth and sophistication, while soft pastel colors bring a calm and relaxing feeling to the room. Bright and colorful combinations can create a cheerful and vibrant space that feels welcoming and unique. If you are learning crochet, studying beautiful designs like this is one of the best ways to improve your skills. Observing different stitch combinations, motif arrangements, and border styles can inspire your own future projects. Every completed design teaches something new about balance, texture, and creativity. One thing that makes crochet so special is that every handmade piece is unique. Even when two people follow the same pattern, each bed sheet reflects the maker's personal style, stitch tension, and finishing techniques. That's what makes handmade crochet items valuable and meaningful. Creating a crochet bed sheet requires patience and consistency. Depending on the complexity of the pattern, it can take several weeks or even months to complete. Every square, flower, or decorative motif is carefully crocheted before being joined together into one beautiful masterpiece. The border is another important element that adds elegance to the overall design. A well-crafted border frames the entire bed sheet and gives it a polished, professional finish. Sometimes a simple lace edge is enough, while other designs feature elaborate decorative borders that become a highlight of the project. Besides decorating your own home, crochet bed sheets also make wonderful handmade gifts. They are perfect for weddings, anniversaries, birthdays, housewarming celebrations, or special family occasions. Because they are handmade, they carry sentimental value that store-bought products simply cannot match. Many talented crocheters have also turned their passion into successful small business. Handmade crochet home decor has become increasingly popular around the world as more people appreciate quality craftsmanship and unique designs. A beautifully made crochet bed sheet can become a premium product that customers are proud to own. Crochet is also a relaxing and rewarding hobby. Many people enjoy crocheting because it helps reduce stress while allowing them to express their creativity. Watching a project slowly come together, one stitch at a time, brings a wonderful sense of accomplishment. As you are watching this beautiful bedsheet, pay attention to the fine details. Notice how evenly the stitches are made, how perfectly the motifs align, and how the overall pattern flows across the entire surface. These details demonstrate the skill and dedication to the crocheter. You can also experiment with different yarn types depending on the look you want to achieve. Cotton yarn is often preferred for crochet bed sheets because it's breathable, durable, and easy to maintain. High quality yarn also helps the finished project maintain its shape and beauty for years. Crochet home continues to grow in popularity because it combines beauty with functionality. Along with bed sheets, many crocheters create matching pillow covers, table runners, blankets, curtains, sofa throws, and decorative accessories that complete an elegant handmade home collection. Every finished crochet project tells a story of patience, creativity, and love for the craft. That's why handmade crochet pieces are treasured by families and often passed down from one generation to the next. I hope this beautiful crochet bedsheet design has inspired you with new ideas for your own crochet journey. If you enjoyed watching this design, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment sharing your favorite part of the pattern, and subscribe to the channel for more beautiful crochet designs. Handmade, home decor inspiration, and creative ideas. If you want to buy our patterns, please let me know in comment section. I will give you a different designs and very beautiful. I will give you a link. From there you will buy any pattern of anything. So thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support, and I will see you in the next video with another amazing crochet designs. Have a wonderful day and happy crocheting. I really hope that you like all the designs that I shared with you. If you have any question, please leave me in comment section. I really hope that you will support me more. In my next video, I will give you many other different and very beautiful and unique ideas related to crochet. I really hope that you will support me more to grow my channel. If you have any question, any request, please let me know in comment section. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.